Hey, what's up everybody? Awall here, and I'm happy to have you in my home studio. In this one, I'm going to teach you all about how to use the Wave 3 microphone. I'm going to teach you all about the Elgato Wave 3 microphone. This is not a sponsored stream. I bought this microphone and I recommend it to my clients on a regular basis because it's a great solution for mixing audio in your computer in a really simple way. So let me just break down for you what the microphone is and what it is not really quick, show you what's in the box, and then we're going to go through some tutorials in terms of how to set it up in your home studio, either on the regular stand it comes with, on a boom stand, setting it up in OBS, and Streamlabs OBS, how to mix audio in the software. I'm going to teach you literally everything you need to know about this particular microphone. The Elgato Wave 3 microphone comes with a number of accessories and pieces. Here's what comes in the box. Here's the box itself. Then the microphone comes with it, and the mic comes with this base stand, and it comes with this adjustable pivot point here, so you can lean the mic backwards, forwards, etc. And you can take the mic off of this stand. I'll show you how to do that in a moment. It also comes with this USB-C to USB-A cable, which you can plug into your computer to connect the mic, and the jack for the microphone is right here on the back of the microphone. Thank you for putting it on the back and not on the bottom on this microphone. I like that design. And then it also comes with this adapter that allows you to put the microphone on various stands that I'll show you in just a moment. That's the package. That's what comes in the box. But what you don't see here in the box is the software side of things, which is the most valuable part of the microphone, is the Wave software that allows you to mix your audio in your computer and be able to mix all of those different sources together in real time, which makes this an incredible solution. And you can see that right here on the back of the box. Cool, so that's what's in the box with the Elgato Wave 3.